Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 student. Our topic is food. So dear student, we have already discussed some topic in our next class. Today this is our second class. So let's start today's class. Our first topic is fruit. Eating fruit is very good habit for our health. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. Fruits provide nutrition which is vital for our health and protects us from diseases. We get some fruits in summer, others in the winter or throughout the year. Here is some various types of food. You can see mango, banana, jackfruit, coconut, papaya. Seasonal fruit. Fruits can be classified based on the seasons of the year in which they grow, such as summer fruits, winter fruits and fruits throughout the year. Here is a picture. You can see here is the summer fruits, some summer fruits, and here is some winter fruits. Here is fruits throughout the year. Summer fruits. The notable summer fruits are mango, blackberry, lychee, jackfruit, guava, hog plum, pineapple, lemon, wood apple, etc. Winter fruits. Fruits do not grow much in the winter. Among them, orange, boroi and olive are the main winter fruits. Fruits throughout the year. In our country, some fruits grow throughout the year, such as papaya, banana and coconut. Vegetables. Our next topic is vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating vegetables is good for health. People who eat more vegetables regularly can reduce the risk of some diseases. There are many kinds of vegetables such as tomato, cauliflower, cabbage and carrot. We get some vegetables in the summer, other in winter or throughout the year. Seasonal vegetables. Vegetables in Bangladesh can be classified into summer vegetables, winter vegetables and throughout the year. You can see here is some vegetables we get it in summer and here is some vegetables we get in winter season and these vegetables we get it throughout the year. Summer vegetables. Various vegetables grow in summer such as potol, corolla, lady's finger, kakrol, jhinga, cucumber, etc. Leafy vegetables are data shak, pui shak, etc. Winter vegetables. In the winter, various types of vegetables grow in Bangladesh. Those include bean, radish, gourd, tomato, carrot, cauliflower and cabbage. 3 number vegetables throughout the year. Among these type of vegetables are brinjal, green banana and papaya. Leafy vegetables are lal shak, kulmi shak, etc. Now preserving food. How can we preserve our food? We eat various kinds of food to survive and grow. Fresh foods make us healthy and provide us energy, but spoiled foods would make us sick and weak. Food spoils because of pests and microorganisms like bacteria getting into food. We need to preserve food to stop spoiling. Ways of preserving food. Spoilage of food can be stopped through preservation. What ways to preserve food are as follows. First one is drying. Drying is the process of away the moisture by heating in the sun or an oven. This method works well for many types of food including fruit, vegetables, fish, meat, grain and pulses. 2 number, canning or bottling. Canning is the process of heating food at a specific temperature for a specific period. The food is sealed in a closed container. Fruits, vegetables, fish, meat and some prepared foods are preserved in this way. 3 number is refrigeration. Refrigeration is the process of keeping food in a cool place. Refrigerator can be used for preserving many foods, especially vegetables, fruits, fish and meat. Pickling, salting and icing are also other way of preserving food. You can see here is a picture. We can dry our fish, make dry fish, and we can preserve our fruit by making jelly, pickle, and we can preserve our food in our refrigerator. Dear student, now we will discuss about short question answer and broad question answer based on this chapter. Our first short question is, why do we need to eat fruits and vegetables? Answer will be, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating fruits and vegetables is good for health. These provide us nutrition which is vital for our health and protect us from diseases. That is why we need to eat fruits and vegetables. Our next short question is, how do vitamins work for our body? Answer will be, vitamin is one kind of food elements. Vitamins help our body to work properly and stay healthy. Vitamins protect us from diseases. Vitamins are richly contained in fruits and vegetables. Our next short question is, explain what nutrition is. Answer will be, our food contains various kinds of nutrition. These include protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin and mineral. These elements are absorbed in the body. All these elements develop our body, supply energy, produce heat in the body and protect us from diseases. These are the nutrition elements of food. Such transformation of food in the body is the function of nutrition. Now let's discuss about broad question. Our first broad question is, why should we eat a balanced diet? Answer will be, the food containing all the essential elements for our body in the required quantity is called a balanced diet. The balanced diet is prepared by mixing various types of food. Protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin and mineral should be present as per requirement. We get proper nutrition by eating variety of foods. There is no single food which contains all kinds of nutrition. We may become sick if we do not eat different kinds of food in proper amount. For this, if we take balanced diet, all types of demand of the body is fulfilled. That is why we should eat balanced diet. Our next broad question is, give 2 examples of different ways of preserving food. The answer will be, fresh food make us healthy, but still food would make us sick and weak. We need to preserve food to stop spoiling. There are many ways to preserve food. 2 ways of preserving food are as follows. 1 number, drying. Drying is the process of taking away the moisture by heating in the sun or an oven. We can preserve many types of food including fruit, vegetables, fish, meat, grain, pulses, etc. by this method. B number, refrigeration. Refrigeration is the process of keeping food in a cold place. It can be used for many foods including vegetables, fruit, fish and meat. Now we will do some fill in the blanks. 1 number, fill in the blanks is, we need dash for surviving and growing. The answer will be food. 2 number, fill in the blanks is, vegetables are rich in dash and dash. Answer will be vitamins and minerals. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic, but you have to do some SW. Your SW will be BQ1. That means this broad question will be your SW. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Sunday, and you can collect your SW on next Sunday. So see you again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.